Okay, let us form inequalities from this table. The first inequality is 1.8. Now inequalities. The first one is 1.8 x, then plus 1.5 y. This one is less or equal to 27. The second one is for amount or cost 300,000 x plus 500 y is less or equal to 6 million. Okay, we have two inequalities. The second one, which is non-constraints, we have x is greater or equal to 0 and y is greater or equal to 0. We cannot have number of refrigerator which is negative and number of washing machine which is negative. Either it can be 0 or greater than 0. But for part A, it is over. Now let us go part B. If we make a profit of 30,000 shillings on each refrigerator and 40,000 shillings on each washing machine, find how many refrigerators and washing machines you should sell for the maximum profit. So this is objective function. Now objective function, this is part B. Objective function is to maximize. We are maximizing profit. So maximize function of x, y such that now we have 30,000 for x, 30,000 x, then plus 40,000 y. Then we are required to draw the graph by using the inequalities given here. So the first inequality is 1.8x plus 1.5y is less or equal to 27. So graph. So first table of values. Table of values. For the first inequality is 1.8x, then plus 1.5y. This one is equal to 27. Now by using x and y intercept, so x, y, when x equal to 0 and when y equal to 0. Now when x equal to 0, so the value of y is 27, we take 27 divided by 15, which is 0 here. So 1 is 15, this is 2, then 1, 0. So this one is 8. So the value of y is 18. Now when x is equal to 0, no, when y is equal to 0, let us find the value of x. The value of x, here it is 27, 0, divided by 18. By 1 it is 18, this one is 9, 0, 5 it is 15. Okay, the second inequality is 300,000 x plus 500,000 y. This one is equal to 6 million. Then we simplify that one by dividing by 100,000. If we divide both sides by this one, this one will be equal to 3x plus 5y, which is equal to 60. So by using x and y intercept, when x is equal to 0, when we substitute here x equal to 0, we find the value of y. So we take 60 divided by 5, which is equal to 12. And when y is equal to 0, this is 0, so we take 60 divided by 3, this one is 20. Then we draw the graph. We draw the graph. For the highest values for x is 15 and here it is 20. And here the highest value for y is 18. This one is 18 and here is 12. So draw the graph. Now this is 0. Y, the highest is 18. So maybe by 3. 23, 6. This is 9. This is 12. This one is 15. This one is 18. Okay, for x, 15 to 20. Think by 3. This one 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Okay, the first one, x is 0, y is 18. X is 0, y is 18. The second one is x is 15, y is 0. X is 15, y is 0. Then we join these points by using a straight line. This point 18 to 15. 18 to 15. Then we label this line. Its equation is 1.8x plus 1.5y, which is equal to 27. The second point is when x is 0, y is 12. So y is 12, this one. And also x is 20, y is 0. X is 20, this is 18, 19, so 20 is approximately here. This is 20. And here this is 20. Then we join this point, the 2 points by using a straight line from 12 up to 20. Then we label this line. Its equation is 3x plus 5y. This one is equal to 60. Okay, then we have also non-negative constraints. X is greater or equal to 0, y is greater or equal to 0. This one, x is greater or equal to 0, we shade the opposite of this one. And wanted the region, it is this one. Then y is greater or equal to 0, we shade this one. And wanted the region. Leaving the wanted region clear. Then the second one is the first inequality is 1.8x plus 1.5y is less. This one is less or equal to 27. If we test the points by choosing any point at the origin, above and below of this line, this is below this line. If we take 0, 0, now take 0, 0, then test to the given inequality. 1.8 times 0 plus 1.5 times 0. This one is less or equal to 27. So this is 0 is less or equal to 27. So the required region is this one. And we wanted the region is above of this line. So we shade this line, this one, in this one. We shade and wanted the region, leaving the wanted the region clear. Then also, if we take the same point 0, 0 and test it to the second inequality, which is 3x plus 5y, 3x plus 5y is less or equal to 60. Now this one will be equal to 0 is less or equal to 60. This is true, and this one is true. So we shade the unwanted region. This is true, and unwanted region is above of this line. So we shade in this one. Then the feasible region and shaded region. This is feasible region. Feasible region. And we have points, the corner points of the feasible region. The first one is point A. The second one is point B. Third, this point C. And this one, which is point O. So we draw the table. Let's draw the table for the corner points, including the objective function. Corner points. Objective function, which is 30 thousandths x plus 40 thousandths y, then value. The first point is point A, its coordinate is 0,12. 0,12. The second one is point B. We are going to solve this one, point of intersection. Which point here? So we can obtain this point by reading the coordinates in the x and in the y-axis, or by solving the simultaneous equations, the first inequality and the second inequality. Okay, point C is this one, which is 15,0. The last one is point O, 0,0. Okay, we substitute the value of x here is 0 and the value of y is 12. So this one is 0 plus 40 thousandths times 12. Now the value is 480 thousandths. This one you're going to solve it. So this one, x is 15 times 30,000, then plus 0. Now this is 450,000. The last one is 0 plus 0, which is 0. Okay, let us solve point B. We have the first equation, 3x plus 5y, it is equal to 60. The second is 1.8x plus 1.5y. This one is equal to 27. If we multiply this one by 1.8 and this one by 3, this one is 5.4x plus 1.8 times 5, it is 9. 9y. Not 9, it is 8. This one is equal to, if you multiply this one, 18 times 6, this is 8, 8, then 10. So 10, 8. This one is 5.4x. This one is 4.5. Y. 27 times 3. This is 81. Okay, subtract. This is 0. 8y minus 4.5y. This is 3.5y is equal to 108 minus 81. This one is 7. So this is 27. Then you divide it by 3.5. Divided by 3.5. So y is equal to 2/7 divided by 35. By 5 or by 5 is 5, by 5 is 7, by 5 is 5, 5 is 25, then 4. So it is 54 divided by 7. Y is equal to 54 divided by 7. This one is equal to 7.60.8. Then you are required to find the value of y. So take this one. No, the value of x, 3x plus 5y is equal to 60. Find x, 3x is equal to 60 minus 5 times 7.8. So 3x is equal to, this one is 60 minus This one is 0, 35, 39, 35, 38. Yes. So 3x is equal to, if we subtract it, is 22. Divided by 3, divided by 3. So x is equal to 7.3. The value of x is 7.3. So x here 7.3 and 7.8. Then we substitute this one, the value of x and y to the object function. So 7.3 times 30,000 plus 40,000 times 7.8. So if we multiply this one, this is 9, 21, 1, 2, 3, and this one is 32, 28, 28, 31. So 7.8 times 4, 32, 28, 31. Yes, 0, 0, 0. If we add 0, 0, 0, 1, this one is 2, 3, 3, and 5. So 531,000. So the maximum value. Okay. The question is, find how many refrigerators and a washing machine you should sell for maximum profit. For maximum profit. So then we conclude, therefore, number of refrigerator is equal to x is refrigerator and y is washing machine. 7.3, so we approximate this one to be 7. Then number of washing machine is equal to 7.8, we approximate this one, be 8. Question number 11 is off.